Hello, Jack here again. Um, I actually forgot the name of the person. I do apologize, but you know who you are. I suggest to build this, subway of mine that I suggest to build. I suggest to build it after I build the, Kettle Valley Steam Railway, and I was asked, can I make a subway? Well, the answer to that is yes. Though, I chose the TTC, known as the Toronto Subway. Marvelous. Alright, and I'll show you what's going on. So, hopefully once those minecarts stopped moving, that was fine. And, this is an actual real subway train sitting right here. The most interesting thing about this train is that it is open from one end all the way to the other. It's called an open gangway, and it is the first ever subway train that is open from one end all the way to the other, which is called an open gangway. And we have some iron doors, and the buttons to open the doors and close them. And by the way, if you ride the subway east and west, well, you're out of luck. The rocket trains are only on the Young University Spadina line, not on the blue or red fourth. They'll get the heavy down T1 trains. The TTC says the Young line is at capacity, and it needed the rocket trains even more. And as I said, I didn't really show much of detail, but thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!